Hi guys, let's talk about Vivo iQOO Neo9 Pro China Edition. It's launched on April 2024. The dimensions: height 6.44 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 8 mm, the weight is 190 gram. And the build of Vivo iQOO Neo9 Pro China Edition. The front and back is glass and the aluminium frame. The display of Vivo iQOO Neo9 Pro China Edition. It comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 89.7% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1260 by 2800 means 1.5K and the refresh rate is 144 Hz with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The protection is not available at this time and the platform of Vivo iQOO Neo9 Pro China Edition. It comes with Android 14 operating system with MediaTek Dimensity 9300 and CPU is octa-core Cortex X4. The GPU is Motorola G720 and the memory of Vivo iQOO Neo9 Pro China Edition. It comes with 12 and 16 GB of RAM, 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera setup: it comes with dual camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide and 50 megapixel ultra wide and it records 8K 30 fps video. The front camera is 16 megapixel. Let's talk about the battery backup of Vivo iQOO Neo9 Pro China Edition. It comes with 5160 mAh battery and 120 watt fast wire charging, no wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wired charging. The commons and the feature: it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speakers, infrared port, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0. The price of Vivo iQOO Neo9 Pro China Edition is $370.